the Oklahoma City Thunder, winners of 9 in a row, taking on Miles Bridges and the Charlotte Hornets, who have lost 6 in a row.
With the Oklahoma City Thunder. So it's an important game for him. All right, so the Hornets start with the basketball wearing those all mint uniforms. 4 years. No doubt. Hartenstein, first basket of the game. Give the assist to Gilgeous-Alexander. Good passing along the perimeter and up and down. There's your one free one, Aaron Wiggins. That's unheard of. As a team, everyone they put out there collectively. And score the goal for Wiggins.
That cut back door by Wiggins, and everybody's got to be on a string on the backside in the rotation game.
Wiggins working up the screen from Hartenstein. Gets it back to the lefty, Hartenstein.
Makes himself available offensively in that high screen roll game.
Gilgeous-Alexander. Wiggins. Every single time. I'm telling you, this guy is an all-star. Open look, SGA. And the Hornets have to call a timeout. Oklahoma City is 12-3 on the road. 12-3. Great spin. How quick was that? Score the goal. Mark Williams, chance for an and one. Alex Caruso unavailable. Cason Wallace, second-year man from Kentucky, also not in the mix. Free throw jumper. SGA.
That's his game right there. He's a set.
Mijic gets all the way to the rim. Open look, Mijic. Confident stroke. Set! Scored and a foul! Right place, right time for number 30. Daquan Jeffries has come into the game for the Hornets. So the only starter remaining in the game is Seth. High off the window and in for Isaiah Wong. Plays hard. Gilgeous-Alexander survives a bump to make it with the left hand.
Quickly off.
Played collegiately Weber State out in Utah. Same college that produced Damian Lillard. 5 seconds. Tijon fires. Got it! From 3 feet behind the line, the 19-year-old. Moose has played well in recent weeks. He is the new center with Nick Richards and Mark Williams not in the game right now. Lefty jumper up and in. Isaiah Hartenstein is playing. He's got 3 fouls. Something to look out for. Ousmane Dieng has come in for the Thunder. Miles Bridges, finally something falls.
Gives it up.
Hartenstein, Williams, Dieng, Mitchell, and the other Williams. Kenrich, the 5 on the floor for OKC, and that's Jalen Williams.
He has really good size, quickness, ball handling, and shot-making ability.
Wong got his man up in the air, took advantage. 8-point game. Miles finds Vasa. That's a long 2. 2 points for the former Thunder. Miles leaves it for Tijon. Hornets playing hot potato. That was a good offense.
No doubt.
A.J. Mitchell. Strong left-handed driver.
Yeah.
Mijic. Oh, tough chance.
Awesome.
Step back 3 for the serve. Kenrich Williams slides it up and in with a foul. Chance for
an elbow. It's automatic.
Gilgeous-Alexander with the foul. Oh my. The Seattle Supersonics, very good out of the Pacific Northwest, won a championship in the 70s. Wow, never used the right hand at all, SGA.
Used his body.
The best team in the league. They don't have the best record. Best record in the Western Conference. Cleveland has the best record in the league. Player who's not playing right now. Lou Dort is not playing in our game today. He's going to be out with an injury. Oh my goodness! Look at that! Jalen Williams. Second time, Jalen with a Y has hit a 3-pointer. Shot clock's down to 3. Swooping! Seth Curry! Jalen Williams. His third first-half three-pointer. Wiggins! Oh! This guy, the former Worley. Gilgeous-Alexander, A.J. Mitchell, Jalen Williams, Isaiah Hartenstein, Aaron Wiggins. 5 on the floor for the Thunder. Williams up and in. Shot clock's down to 3. Seth, good look. Some things you guess at, other things you just know.
Plenty of time to line that one up.
Been doing that for 11 seasons. Wiggins, Hartenstein, backdoor cut, a thing of beauty. Wiggins. Miles takes it upon himself. Softly off the front of the iron. Goes right back to Seth. Jalen Williams. With contact score. Man now, Charlotte Hornet. Stripped away. A.J. Mitchell has Williams. That is the first dunk of the night.
5th points, 4th and 5th points.
Josh Green. Three-pointer for Josh. Hornets have had some highlight reel blocks in today's game. Josh Green. He loves the baseline three. 6th NBA team. What? Hartenstein with a clean steal. That is a 7-foot human taking it away from a point guard. So with all these Isaiahs in the game, at the end of the game, we're assured to having a losing Isaiah. A shout out there to Halle Berry. Daquan Jeffries. Shot clock down to 3. Get in there. Daquan. Oh, it's still Thunder ball.
On the shot clock reset.
And it results in a bucket for the Thunder.
Wow.
Repost. Oh my goodness. Score the goal with contact. Miles Bridges! How do you do? Jeffries. Okay, second buzzer beater for Daquan here in our third quarter. Bridges. Mark Williams. Good offense there. Fade away. Miles Bridges.
Not turning it over.
A.J. Mitchell, the rookie, scored the goal with the foul. All 5 Hornets starters in double figures. Jalen Williams hits a 3. Great defense being played by Oklahoma City. And a result from the run out for Jalen Williams. Hey, there you go. Dylan Jones, welcome to Charlotte. Dylan Jones won a state championship at Keenan High School, Columbia, South Carolina, 2019. T-John Salon. So not your typical game for Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. He has had over 40 points the last 2 games. He's stuck on 22 right now. Miles Bridges and a foul. That'll count. And it's short. And the ball game is over. The Oklahoma City Thunder, they have